truck. So we're going right up, following the sound truck. Tell them vote for Labour. That's right, me and me neighbor, voting for Labour. Tell them make we vote for Labour. In this election, tell them vote for Labour. Why? We are Labour alone. We give our vote. Labour Party we love the most. And them alone are great people. Tell them again, vote for Labour. Make we vote